Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Lecture of parents, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful parents, honorable chairman of yearly celebration, the chief guest, teacher, brother, sister, to all my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now I speak about the obedience to parents. Obedience to parents is our duty. Our parents are the source of our life on earth. Their position is next to Allah. All the religion in this world emphasize the duty to parents. According to Islam, heaven lies under the feet of our mother. Therefore, we should serve and praise them by good conduct. We should always look to the happiness and comfort to our parents. Allah Ta'ala says, "You must pray only to me and be as the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says, if the mother praise remains with the son, then Allah the Great also remains praised with the him." The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Take them to your mother." Allah has asked to pray to him for our parents. Then you want to forgive. Oh Allah, show kindness to my parents for our affection in my childhood. That is obedience to parents is unforgettable son. I have finished my article. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.